In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove tab categories in Gmail, a simple yet effective way to streamline your email experience. If you're finding the multiple tabs in your Gmail a little overwhelming, like the promotions or social tabs, then this guide is for you. We'll walk through the process to customize your inbox so you can focus on what really matters. Let's get started. Firstly, you'll want to open Gmail and look for the settings icon. This icon typically appears in the upper right hand corner of your screen, represented by a gear symbol. Go ahead and click on it. This is where you'll find a range of settings that allow you to tailor your Gmail experience according to your needs. After clicking the settings icon, you'll notice a drop down menu with various options pop up. Among these options, look for one labeled Inbox Type. This setting defines how emails are organized in your inbox and is key to removing those tab categories. Once you locate Inbox Type, go ahead and click on the Customize option next to it. This allows you to select exactly what kind of emails you want to see in your main inbox tab. It's like having a personal assistant who sorts your mail just the way you want it. This opens up further options where you can choose which categories should be visible. Now you'll see checkboxes next to names like promotions, social, updates, and forums. What you'll want to do here is uncheck the boxes next to these categories. By doing so, you are effectively telling Gmail that you don't need these categories cluttering up your main inbox view. This step is crucial for those who prefer a more streamlined email experience without unnecessary distractions. Once you've unchecked the boxes of the categories you wish to remove, the final step is to save these changes. Look for the Save button, typically located at the bottom of this menu. By clicking on it, you ensure that your new customized settings are applied. These adjustments make your inbox cleaner, and all your emails will now appear in one place, free from the interruption of multiple categories. And there you have it, a more focused and organized Gmail inbox, just the way you like it. This little change can make a huge difference in how efficiently you manage your emails daily, allowing you to prioritize the emails that really demand your attention. Thank you for watching. I hope you found this guide helpful. Feel free to leave a comment below if you have any questions or if this video helped improve your Gmail experience. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips and tricks. Keep making your digital life simpler and have a great day.